So now we're going to talk all things HELOC. Why do I need a HELOC? Okay, so we discussed the fact that a home equity line of credit is just that. It's a line of credit. But you may be saying, why would I need a home equity line of credit? I have charge cards. Good point. Here's the difference. First of all, the home equity line of credit is usually going to give you a much higher limit on what you can do with the money, and it's usually going to give you much better terms. The reason it's secured to your property. Now, of course, you don't want to be silly with the money and go crazy, but it can be a great tool to have if you need repairs on your property or things can happen that you're not expecting. Those unexpected medical bills can be a big time when a HELOC can really be a big help. But another time that can help is if you have an insurance claim. Believe it or not, it can take a while to get the check. If you've got the home equity line of credit, you can get the insurance work done and then wait for the check to then pay yourself back the money. So there's a lot of different reasons why you may want to take out a home equity line of credit. The next question though is going to be, when do you take it out? So stay tuned for that. We'll discuss that next.